You can now transfer your ChatGPT memories directly into Claude in just a few minutes. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. So let's get started. First, go to Claude AI and log into your account. Now look at the bottom left corner and click on your profile picture. From there, open Settings, then go to Capabilities. You'll see an option called Import Memory from Other AI Providers. Just click Start Import and Claude will then give you a special prompt you can use to extract data from ChatGPT. Simply copy that. Go over to ChatGPT. Now here, don't paste it directly. First, we need to prepare ChatGPT for the best extraction possible, so that we'll get as much data as possible. Just click your profile picture and select Settings. From there, click Personalization. Scroll a little down here and make sure Reference Saved Memories and Reference Chat History is turned on. This ensures ChatGPT includes everything in the export. Next, make sure Thinking is selected from the drop-down. This is very important because the thinking model retrieves more detailed, stored context. Once that's done, you're ready for extraction. Paste the Claude import prompt you copied earlier into ChatGPT. Press Enter, and ChatGPT will generate a full code block containing your stored memories and context. Once it's finished, click Copy on the entire generated code block. Now go back to Claude. Paste the copied data into the import field. Click Add to Memory, and Claude will process it and save your information. After that, review your imported memories and edit anything if needed. And that's it. Your ChatGPT memories are now successfully transferred to Claude. Now, if you use projects in ChatGPT, there's one extra step. Projects have their own separate instructions, files, and context, so they don't automatically transfer. Here's what you need to do. Open any of your ChatGPT project. Use the same import prompt again. Copy the generated information. Now go to Claude. Create a new project. Paste the copied data into project memory. Then manually add any important details into project instructions. Once Claude updates the memory, your project setup will be fully migrated. And that's it. A complete transfer from ChatGPT to Claude without losing your important context. If this helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more AI tutorials.